Hi friends, welcome back to channel Sidehacker. In this I'm going to do the charging speed test comparison between all of these three smartphones which I got right now. These are charging speed tests which I'm trying to do after the recent software updates as well between these devices. So this is going to be really interesting results. Let's see which phone gonna charge faster. And all the three smartphones are really very much fast capable of charging the devices. And I'll try to write down the battery percentage for every 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes and fully charge as well between all of these three devices. And when it comes to the battery capacity, 4300 mAh of battery capacity with 65 watt fast charging. And iQOO 7 has got 4400 mAh of battery capacity with 66 watt of flash charge which is present. And Realme GT Neo 2 with a 5000 mAh of battery capacity with 65 watt super dot charging. So Realme and the Realme GT Master Edition GT Neo 2, they both use similar kind of charging capabilities. I mean 65 watt super dot charges, and iQOO is using the flash charge 66 watt flash charge. Let's see friends, in this test which phone will be charging first with the 50% capacity, 50% which phone will be reaching and which phone will be reaching 100%. So definitely the charging capacities also differs between these devices. And let me try to start the charging test. And first, all three smartphones are completely at 1% of the charging. As you can see, I'm trying to charge when the battery is 1%. There's no SIM cards in this device, nothing at all. There's no SIM cards, nothing is there in this device at this moment. Now let me try to connect the chargers. So right now, as you can see friends, all the three smartphones are connected with the charging cables at this moment. And let me try to start the test at same time by clicking the switch button. As you can see, all the smartphones are connected to the charging cables at this moment exactly. All the phones are indicating the super dot charger and flash charge, as you can see friends, exactly. So no issues with the fast charging. So all the three smartphones are connected to exactly same cables and same charging adapters. And let's check the charging percentage. 28 degrees Celsius, 28, 27 and 28. You can see regarding the temperatures how it's maintaining between these devices. So I'm going to be back after 10 minutes of time. In the 10 minutes we can actually discuss what is happening with the charging speeds between all of these three smartphones. So let me know in the comments below friends, what are the thoughts on this type of charging test. And this will be a really good interesting test after the software updates, what has happened with the charging speed, whether the charging speed decreased or not. So this will give the clear idea what is going on. So again I'll be back after 10 minutes of time. As you can see friends, right now we're getting close to exactly 10 minutes of charging all the four devices and all the three devices, sorry, not four. So let's see what will be the charging percentage. 35% in the iQOO 7 device, 49% in the Realme GT Master Edition and 39% in the Realme GT Neo 2. 39, 49 and 35. Let me need to write down the readings. And Realme GT Master Edition charged to exactly 50%, as you can see, 10 minutes of time. So fastest phone to get 50% charge is the Realme GT Master Edition, which charged in 10 minutes of time. 50% of the capacity has been charged. That's fantastic. Let's see friends how long these two phones gonna take to charge kind of 50%. Right now I think you can see clearly 42% and 38% in terms of charging speeds. So slightly kind of very close to each other in terms of charging speed, not a huge difference I would say. But again I'll be back after some time when both phones gets close to 50% of the fast charging capabilities. As you can see friends, we're reaching close to exactly 20 minutes of time charging all the three smartphones, and the iQOO 7 reached about 50% in 15 minutes of time. The Realme GT Neo 2 reached 50% in 13 minutes of time. These are the timing I did try to record. And right now let's see in the 20 minutes of time exactly what will be the charging temperature. And the battery percentage is about 33 degrees Celsius right now. I forgot to check before. And you can see how cool the phones are actually, not much. And 84% in the Realme GT Master Edition, 84, 66% in the iQOO 7 device and 73% in the Realme GT Neo 2. So slightly I did see the Realme GT Neo 2 is getting slight high temperatures at this moment, little bit kind of higher than the other phones usually, as you can see, little bit kind of higher. So little bit 35 degrees, 34 degrees, and iQOO 7 is remaining about 32 degrees Celsius during this time of testing. So today I think this was a rain outside, so that's the reason my room temperature is also really cool. And there is no AC, there is no cooler, nothing at all. There is no AC, this is just a normal room temperature only friends. So that might be another reason. So 34 degrees, 32 degrees and 35 degrees in terms of the temperatures wise, how all the phones are holding up. Let me to write down the readings. So after the software updates, the iQOO 7 temperature is not increasing much higher in this device. That's the one thing which I always said in so many videos as well previously in the charging speed test videos. So that's kind of really true. And Realme GT Neo 2 is increasing high temperatures, maybe because of fast charging, which need to charge 5000 mAh of battery capacities, because two batteries split it one by one. So that might be another reason why temperature might be slightly higher, but not an issue. Again, I'll be back when the Realme GT Master Edition gets close to 99%. So very soon we'll be seeing the phone can come close to 99%. Right now it's 87%. So maybe within next 5 minutes or 6 minutes, the phone can easily come close to 99% and 100%. So again, I'll be back after that time. And in case if you want me to do any other comparison side by side, let me know in the comment section below with what smartphones you want me to do this kind of comparison side by side. That will be really helpful, not only for me, even for a lot of other users who are actually looking to buy one of this fast charging. So again, I'll be back after some time. So right now, as you can see friends, we are reaching exactly 27 minutes of time as well, and the Realme GT Master Edition charged to 98%, which is charging the Realme GT Master Edition, as you can see, 27 minutes and 98%, and the iQOO 7 is doing about 87%, and the Realme GT Neo 2 is doing about 91%, 91, 87, and you can see 99% right now in the Realme GT Master Edition, not bad. So within next 1 minute, the phone will be definitely able to charge 100%. So these are kind of fastest charging below 30 minutes of time. There are a couple of other phones also which can actually do that. For example, Realme GT, which can actually do within same kind of time with a slightly bigger battery capacity. So that's another thing. So 4300 mAh of battery capacity, it's not that shocking to see. Anyway, right now it's 99%. So very soon we're going to see the 100% charged as well. Then I can write down the readings. At the end of the testing, the temperatures are slightly kind of close to 32 degrees, not bad. 32 and 33. 99%. So charged exactly 100% around 28 minutes of time. The Realme GT Master Edition charged completely 100%, as you can see friends, 28 minutes, not bad. And rest of the phones will take some time to charge as well anyway. So 28 minutes of charging. So this video I'll try to consider exactly when the phone reaches to 100%, because previously I did try to spend a lot of time in until the charging animation goes, but few of the users, they did mention that they're not charging their device until the charging animation goes. As soon as they get 100%, they're trying to disconnect. That's what the few feedback I did get from few of the users. So that's the reason in this video I'm trying to just write down the readings when the battery gets close to 100%. Right now, I think the next phone will be definitely the Realme GT Neo 2 with the 94% and 92%. Not very far away, right? Only 2% difference is there between these both phones. So 94, 90 and 92. And exactly 30 minutes I'll try to write down the readings, what is happening with these both phones regarding the charging speed. Let's see in the 30 minutes. So 93% the phone reached. So the gap has been decreased. Only 2% gap is there between these two phones. Not bad. There's not a huge gap. Anyway, so right now we are trying to reach 30 minutes of time. Exactly 30 minutes I'll try to show you the charging percentage, how much it is. 93% in the iQOO 7 device and 95% in the Realme GT Neo 2. 93 and 95. So again, I'll be back when the both phones gets close to 99%. So right now, as you can see, friends, it's been getting close to 33 minutes of time as well, and the Realme GT Neo 2 charged at 98% and iQOO 7 charged to 97%. You can see only 1% difference is there between these both phones at this minute of making this video. Let's see, friends, what's gonna happen. Again, I'll be keeping an eye on that one, which phone charges first. So it's going to be really very interesting to see what happens next. And 33 minutes, and let's check again what is happening with the 98% and 97%. Still both phones are charging slightly kind of slow, and at this moment the temperatures are pretty low in both phones, not an issue. But as I said, always the Realme GT Neo 2 will be having 1 or 2 degrees higher than the iQOO 7 device. So even when you're charging, when you're trying to use the device, when you're trying to play the games, always 1 or 2 degrees higher in this phone. And 32, 31. So 99%, the Realme GT Neo 2 charged 99% at this moment, and iQOO 7 still remaining exactly at around 97%. It's not increasing, so it's remaining for too long. So just now it increased 98 and 99, and Realme GT Neo 2 will be able to charge, I think, 100% maybe in the next 1 or 2 minutes. So the iQOO 7 charged to 100% is completely, friends, as you can see, exactly around 35 minutes of time, and the Realme GT Neo 2 still showing 99% only. The Realme GT Neo 2, so iQOO 7 charged 100%, 35 minutes, not bad. So it's kind of really fast. And iQOO's Realme GT Neo 2 is showing 99%. I think the phone can take close to maybe 36 minutes of time, I think so. But let me try to write down the readings overall. 35 minutes of time in the iQOO 7 device, 35 minutes. Let's check right now, 36 minutes. And right now, the phone charged to 100%, friends, as you can see, 36 minutes of time, not bad. So all that, these are the charging speeds comparison between all of these three smartphones. So there's not a huge difference between the iQOO 7 and the Realme GT Neo 2, but you need to consider the big capacity of the battery in the Realme GT Neo 2. 5000 mAh of battery capacity and 4400 mAh of battery capacity charge pretty close to each other. As you can see, friends, this is a cool comparison regarding the charging speed. So definitely 4300 mAh of battery capacity charge pretty fast, 28 minutes, and 4300 and 5000 mAh of battery, 600 mAh, and you can see the time difference. It's kind of close to 8 minutes difference is there between these two phones, GT Master and GT Neo 2. That's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video, and these are the quick complete charging speed test comparison between all of these three smartphones. And in case if you're having any other doubts, let me know in the comment section below. And meanwhile, signing off, friends. Thank you for watching. Bye.